Well, here began my dream, the dream of Cinderella. I had wished for 10 years, ever since I was a young girl, to marry Dilip Sahab. Of course, that was an obsession with me. And here, the wedding ceremony started. I wanted to be a good wife to him. And what would I do to be a good wife? That was going on in my mind. My one object was to make my husband happy and see that I contribute as much as possible to his personal well-being. I think perfection in marriage is to be achieved. It is not just there for the mere asking. It takes two to achieve it, and two to understand that it is an elastic relationship of give and take and an abiding sense of togetherness forever.